Hello and welcome back to another awesome video on DanishTube. For those of you watching right now, just a little reminder, I'm going live tonight at 9 p.m. Danish time on Green Room. I suggest we talk about the topic music, but we can go in any direction you like. It's completely free, so if you want to talk, if you want to practice your spoken Danish or your listening, log in. It's absolutely free. Get involved. Follow the link in the description. I'm going to be posting a link at around 9 p.m. a little before on Facebook and on YouTube, so you can actually just click the link and come directly into the chat room. Otherwise, if you didn't already, check out DanishTube Casted. That is the new podcast. You can listen to the episodes right here on YouTube, or you can go over to Spotify, Google, Apple, wherever you prefer to listen to your podcasts. I'm also doing a little side project that I'm calling DanishTube Casted's Lillebror, the DanishTube Cast little brother. This is where I take the podcast episodes and I analyze them. I go into a little bit more detail. I give some useful expressions and sentences that you can use right away, and it's really, really awesome. I'm super excited about it. So yeah, there's a lot to check out. Show your support, give me a like, leave a comment, share the videos, buy me a coffee, whatever you want to do. Show me, let me know that you're involved, and I hope that I will see you tonight in Green Room. Enjoy the video. Vi ses. Hey og velkommen tilbage. You may have noticed by now 3 videos in a row and I'm wearing all the same clothes. Yes, I recorded them all together. In this video, we're going to look at the differences between at lave and at gøre. Let's do it. DanishTube. So once again, let's keep it short and sweet. Basically, they both kind of mean to do. At lave is very general. Let's think of it like this. Very general, like what are you up to? Hvad laver du? A very common thing to ask. Gøre, on the other hand, is much more specific. So maybe about a situation. Your friend is telling you about a situation and you want to ask like, what did you do? You know, hvad gjorde du? Det er meget mere specifikt. It's much more specific. And that's it, basically. Yeah, as easy as that. Of course, there are some nuances. At lave can also mean like to make food. I guess you can relate in that way because jeg laver mad. When you say jeg laver mad, I'm making food. You're not being specific, you're just saying I'm making food. You're not going into specifics about what you're making. Not that you would say, jeg gør, blah blah blah. You would still say, jeg laver pizza. Laver can also mean, what do you do, as in your job. What is your job, your profession? Hey, hvad laver du? Jeg elektriker, det ved jeg ikke. So as always, the lines can get a little blurred with the nuances in the language, but to try and keep it again separated, if I asked you like, hvad lavede du i weekenden? Oh, I did this, and I did this, and I did this. But then if I wanted to ask you, what have you done in a specific situation? I don't know, I'm thinking now of like, your friend has maybe done something bad, really terrible, and you want to ask him like, what have you done? You know, hvad har du gjort? Then you're being more specific. Yeah, or maybe he's telling you about his situation. Maybe, let's say he's with his wife and they have some problems and they needed to fix it. He's telling you blah 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 blah, and then you want to get to the point of, well, what did you do? So what did you do? So hvad gjorde du? You can hear that now you're asking for something very, 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 very specific. So yeah, I think that's it. As always, follow the link in the description if you want to learn more, see some more detailed descriptions about the differences between these 2 words. You can play some games, you can do some exercises. If you like this video, like it, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next one. Hi hi. DanishTube.